Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can pin or add a music to your profile on Facebook. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to add a music to your Facebook profile, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, I want you to tap the menu. And after that, I want you to go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, next, I want you to tap the See Your About info. And after that, I want you to scroll down until you find the music option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after tapping it, you will now be directed to your music collection. So here in the music section is where you can collect all the music that you like, and before you can pin a music to your profile, you will need to add it to your collection first. So to do that, you just need to tap the plus button at the top. And then you will now be able to see many different popular music, so just select the one that you like. But if you can't find the music that you like right here, then you can just search it up and then you will now be able to find it. And so now that you found the music, you can now select it in order to add the music to your collection. And after that, the music will now be added to your collection, so you can now pin it on your profile. So to do that, first, I want you to tap the three dots on the music. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the pin to profile option right here, so just tap it to pin the music to your profile. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, the music will now be added to your Facebook profile. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.